Perfect Square by Michael Hall. It was a perfect square. It had 4 matching corners and 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it was perfectly happy. But on Monday, the square was cut into pieces and poked full of holes. It wasn't perfectly square anymore. Look at the square, cut into pieces and poked full of holes. So it made itself into a fountain that babbled and giggled and clapped. Here's the fountain. On Tuesday, the square was torn into scraps. Look at the square torn into scraps. So it made itself into a garden, a beautiful garden. On Wednesday, the square was shredded in strips. Look at all these strips. So it made itself into a park, and I see a kite. Someone is flying a kite in the park. On Thursday, the square was shattered. Oh, look at this shattered square. So it made itself into a bridge. On Friday, the square was snipped into ribbons. Look at all of these pieces of ribbons. So it made itself into a river. I see a river with fishes in it. On Saturday, the square was crumpled and ripped and wrinkled. So it made itself into a mountain. I see a mountain. I also see some clouds on top of the mountain. On Sunday, the square waited to see what was next. It waited and waited. Nothing happened. Its 4 equal sides were confining. Its 4 matching corners were rigid and cramped. Look, the square does not look happy anymore. So it made itself into a window. Look at the window. That looked out on a mountain, that gave birth to a river, that was crossed by a bridge, that led to a park, that was home to a garden, that had at its center a fountain, that babbled and giggled and clapped. I see some children in front of the fountain playing. The end. Can you find something in your home that's a square? I found something. This book is a square. Thank you.